Today, I will show you how to create a fully automated trading bot for the Nasdaq without writing a single line of code. We will use AlgoBuilderX, a drag-and-drop builder for cTrader, to develop a bot based on a powerful reversal pattern, the engulfing pattern. To optimize trade execution, we will also incorporate a grid strategy, which is ideal for maximizing profits in a volatile market like the Nasdaq. This bot will operate only during the most liquid hours of the Nasdaq session, from 1530 to 2200 Central European Time, ensuring we trade during the most active period. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the bot opens trades only when there are no active positions. We drag the Check Trades Count block and set it to No Trade. This prevents the bot from opening multiple positions at the same time. Now, we add a time filter to ensure that the bot operates only during the Nasdaq trading session. We drag the time filter block and set it to a range from 1530 to 2200 the Central European Time. This keeps the bot active only during the most volatile hours. Next, we define our trade entry conditions using the engulfing pattern. We drag the candle pattern block and set it to engulfing bullish. This means that whenever a bullish engulfing pattern forms, the bot will enter a long position. We then duplicate the block and set it to engulfing bearish, which will detect bearish reversals and generate sell signals. Now, we connect the engulfing pattern signals to the buy and sell execution blocks. We drag the buy action block and connect it to the engulfing bullish pattern. Next, we configure the grid strategy for buying. Take profit is set to 5 pips to secure quick profits on each trade. No stop loss, since the grid strategy will manage trade recovery. Grid distance is set to 20 pips, ensuring the bot opens new trades only at defined intervals. Grid multiplier is set to 2, meaning each new order will be twice the size of the previous one. We repeat the same process for the sell action block, linking it to the engulfing bearish pattern. Now, our bot is ready. We export the bot to cTrader and run a backtest using historical Nasdaq data. Looking at the results, we can see that the bot successfully executed trades based on the engulfing pattern, while leveraging the grid strategy to optimize trade management. This strategy works well because it combines reliable reversal signals with an advanced position management system. Do you want to create your own bot without writing code? Visit AlgoBuilderX.com and start building your custom trading bots for free. Click the link in the description to get started. See you in the next video, and happy trading!